Here's an update on the layout. Ron and I have been working hard on this today. We got a lot of things done. As you can see, it's really coming together. It's getting pretty exciting for us. Look at all that. Now, of course, once all of this plaster is dried, I will be coming through and painting this. Here's the bridge. Underneath the bridge will be more water that will be like little falls, basically, going to this next part, which is Sparky's Lake, or Lake Sparky, I should say. And then it's going to splash down into here. It's going to be pretty awesome. I'm looking forward to getting to paint that. It's going to be a lot of fun. But yeah, all of this are remnants from his old layout. So it's just piecing it all together. What do you all think? I think it's looking pretty good. This is just the first section, and we'll be making more sections, but we wanted to complete this fully first. So stay tuned for more updates to come shortly. And I hope you like what you see. Let's get another view here before I leave. Pretty cool, huh? All right. See you all next time.